Hi there, this is Holiday Nanny Adventures and we are in West Bay Dorset today, and we are going to tell you our top 5 restaurants. We're not going to do it in any particular order, we're just going to take you to our top 5 restaurants. Get excited everyone! Oh, this is our first one. So no, we haven't come to Bridport train station. This is the restaurant and it's actually called The Platform.
This used to be the railway station. Beaching did his bit and cut off all the railways, but now they've turned it into a fabulous restaurant.
But we've actually eaten here, haven't we, Beth?
We have, yes.
And it's just absolutely brilliant, isn't it? We go. So this is actually, I think you can probably just have a coffee and a glass of wine outside, can't you, Beth?
Oh, definitely.
And it's just very quirky. So what we'll do is we'll just take you in and show you. How gorgeous is that, eh? How gorgeous is that?
Do lunchtime sarnies now.
Let's just show you what the sarnies are here. So opening times, looks like it's just at the weekend. And build your own sarnie. Beef, brie, rocket. Looks yummy. Can you see crab on there, Beth? Can't see crab, can you? Yes, West Bay crab. Oh, that'd be my favourite. It's quite romantic, isn't it? Sat there, look. Now, what we try and do is we need to try and find you a menu for the restaurant. That's what we actually probably need to do. Welcome. There we are, look, where Grand Grub meets Killer Cocktails. Let's take you in. So there's all sorts of little areas, look, isn't this beautiful? The waiting room. How gorgeous is this? Just show you the menu. It's very sunny and bright out here. Beth, do you want to read some of that? Can you see it?
I'm just trying to main courses. I can read it in the big. You've got, right, you start as a 2-course or 3-course. You can have Dartmoor beef, chili, cheddar and beer soup, or Somerset goat's cheese and garden heritage tomato salad. And in the main, you've got steak and cheese. We've got Dartmoor aged beef burger, Dorset blue, house pickles, tomato, and brioche, and then truffle and parmesan.
And you've also got the ones that are off set menu as well, which looks delicious.
Well, this is just
yeah. Right, so we're just walking from that railway into West Bay itself.
You can't actually see the soup in here at the moment because obviously the CHESIL.
Yeah, yeah.
And it also acts obviously as a storm defence with the weather.
Beautiful though, isn't it? This is gorgeous. Gorgeous place to come. So this is number 2. This is the Customs House Emporium, and we're going to take you to a very special little place.
Street food,
yes.
Tiki bar.
So this is the Tiki bar. So this is definitely in my top 5 in the summer. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Nice selection of cocktails, isn't it? So over here, look, let's have a look. Very, very reasonably priced drinks. Glass of Merlot, £5.50. Chardonnay. YouTube, Holiday Nanny. Look at these. This is amazing. Wow. Look at this. So this is the food menu. Look at these prices. Where are you going to get that? Rock salmon and chips for £13.50. It's amazing. We'll just show you what else is around here as well, because when you've been to the Tiki bar and had your food and had your cocktails, the rest of the emporium up here, once you've had your food in the Tiki bar, I'm going to have to edit the music out, I'm afraid, so when you're watching this you won't hear the nice music that was at the Tiki bar, I'm afraid. Yeah. Right guys, I've come off the gimbal now because it's wobbling, but handheld's fine. Look at these, they're gorgeous. Gosh, it's only £120 if you like it, Bev. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Really nice. Wow. So there's the Tiki bar down there, but I'm going to have to edit the music out because it's otherwise I'll be in trouble. So this, of course, is the famous. It's all right, Pef, you're in the video. This is the famous harbour. I'll take you around for Harbour Lights. That was in the TV series, West Bay Harbour. It's just beautiful. You couldn't be here on a more beautiful afternoon, really. Isn't that lovely? And we'll take you around later on. When we've done our 5 restaurants, we can take you around and show you the police station that was in Broadchurch. There's the rise over there, yeah. Oh, I wish we had smelly vision, don't you, Beth? Now, those West Bay riverboat trips, my granddad used to take me up on the river. It's such a fantastic childhood memory. Look, down here.
I had my first rowing.
Did you? On those rowing boats?
Yeah.
Oh.
But mine was with a boyfriend.
Oh, I bet it was. I bet it was. Yeah. Right, we're going to number 3 now. And number 3 is my favourite. I shouldn't really have a favourite because I'm doing the top 5 in no particular order. However, look at this. Right, come on. Do you want to go and get a table outside, Beth? And I'll get us grab some rosé. What size do you want, my darling? Medium?
I'll have it because I'm driving.
Medium? Okay. So this is where we're going to go and have our glass of wine. The rise. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love it here. West Bay. There are some caravan parks and things here if people want to come and stay down here. But this is the business. This is the business. Oh, music again. Right, so we're just going up now into the rise. This is the menu here. Again, very, very reasonable, but oh, crab sandwich. It's amazing. Everywhere plays this music, that's the trouble. So I've got to be very, very, very careful because of the music. So we've just ordered a large and a medium glass of this rosé. Food going out looks really good. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there's some hand gliders up there. My friend Betty's telling me, I was going to say paragliders, but they're hand gliders.
They've just jumped off a cliff to get
They
out there.
just jumped off a cliff, yeah.
Idiots.
Idiots. Idiots. Anyway, cheers from here. 3 of our favourite places done. 2 more to go. And if you're watching this after you've watched the other bit, obviously I'll have had to, I don't know which round's going to do, but that other place we've just been to, I'm going to have to edit out the music, so that's unfortunate. It was blaring. So we're just leaving the rise now. You can see why, I shouldn't really say, but why it is actually my favourite. It's even gorgeous in the winter, isn't it, Bev? Right, we're off. So we're now going to go round to a place called Rachel's. Now you see these huts. You wouldn't think that one of these is going to be in my top 5. But believe me, Rachel's is. And the main reason for that is the crab sandwich. Oh my goodness. Isn't it the best
It's
ever?
got to be one of the best crab sandwiches in the world.
So we don't really like the red meat, to be better than the crab. We really don't like it. So when we went to Rachel's and we'd heard about these famous crab sandwiches, we said, oh, can we just have white meat? And they said, oh, no, we can't just give you white meat. So
Too expensive.
Yeah, too expensive. So anyway, to be fair, it was 80% white meat, wasn't it, Beth? Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, and they do garlic prawns there and wine. But I seem to remember last time, look at this, hang on, look at this. Look at this donut. I seem to remember last time we had to pay cash, and didn't we, Bev?
I think we did.
And we had to go. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right, it was. Yeah. See, it's not in my top 5, but look over there. I won't get run over.
Yeah, this is all new.
I mean, look at that.
I mean, up to about 2 years ago, this was just an empty piece of grass, not used.
Yeah.
And now,
I mean, I could have an ice cream or a hot dog. So this is the steps over here, which if you ever watch Broadchurch, this was the steps that led up to the police station. There you go. Famous look. Famous television location. There we are.
and this is Harbour Lights Fish and Chip Shop, which
Yeah.
is in the series Harbour
Now
Lights.
this is Harbour Lights, but Rachel's
Or Rubicon.
is now called Rubicon. So our fourth place that we think is really gorgeous is this little corner over here of the harbour. So you've got the Harbour Lights chips, fish and chips with all these ice creams. Now, have you ever seen so many ice creams? Have you ever seen so many ice creams? Just ridiculous. Now, we did say that our favourite place on the way walking over, we did say that our favourite place was Rachel's, which was here, but Rachel's is now Rubicon Kitchen, which has had amazing reviews anyway. So instead of saying that Rachel's is our number 4, we're going to say that this corner is our number 4 because you've got the Harbour Lights with all these amazing ice creams.
And it does fabulous fish and
Fabulous
chips.
fish and chips, which we know. You've got a snack shack there. You've got Rubicon Kitchen, which still looks amazing and does lots of fish. You've got a Mexican there, look. So, and this is, now look, imagine this. Seriously. So even though we've lost the name Rachel's, the ambience here.
See the rise where we've just been sat, so
Yeah.
you can see the view we've been looking
Yeah. So this is why we're still going to say, even though Rachel's no longer here, we're still going to say, aren't we, Bev, that this is our, in the top 5 of where to come and have food. Just to sit here, watch the world go by. And I look at this menu on Harbour Lights. Look at this. Now look. I mean, look at the prices. Salt and pepper squid chunks, £5.80. Steak and kidney pie, £4.30 for steak and kidney pie. Seriously? So you've got all this, you've got beer. I mean, look, honestly, everything you need. Caramelised biscuit. So yeah, although we've lost the name, we've actually lost the name, it doesn't matter because this is still going to be, isn't it, Bev, in our top 5. So if you go up that cliff, there are walkers going up. I thought it was closed, but up there is a couple of the houses, I think, in Broadchurch.
They were.
Yeah, up that hill. And I thought the hill was closed because there was landslides, but actually it looks like it's open. But we're not going to do that today because we're not doing TV locations. We're doing favourite restaurants. We've got the paragliders in amongst the seagulls. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. West Bay Dorset, everybody. West Bay. Oh, this is the boat house. Yeah. This isn't one of our favourites actually, Beth, but how fantastic, eh? This is at the West Bay Holiday Park, and this isn't the one that this isn't in our top 5, but we couldn't help but stop here and just show you this.
We've got Jamie next. I'll take his off its stand. She likes to stand like a rock star.
Darling gents, he's hanging around the celebs again with your blue eyes, fucking deep sea blue eyes. Giving the crew the old IO, she wants a lifeboat man. She heaved herself into the sea, Screaming boys, come and rescue me with your blue eyes, sparkling eyes. Giving the crew the old I-O, she wants Hail on step up, save our grand, it would full of handsome men with your blue eyes, sparkling Dixie blue eyes. Giving the quick to me later, right down on the dick with your blue eyes, sparkling Dixie blue eyes. Giving the crew the old I-O, she wants they boats out from north and south and the crew all and they come that reef to raid her hand, but you went below.
So we're just going back to the harbour, and I'm not going to, you know, say anything that's not true. So our number 5 favourite was a café beach bar, which is twin to the Hive in Burton Bradstock. So it's a beautiful cafe beach bar, had a pizza oven, and it's just round here. But we've got a feeling that it's being done up or renovated. So if we can't find it, then we're not going to say, oh, there's something else, because it won't be. So you might get the top 4 instead of the top 5. But we will endeavour to find it. And if we can't find it, we're not going to lie about it. So this is our number 5. And this is the watch house. Now look where we are. Right on CHESIL Beach. Come on, Bev. We're going to have to stop here for summit. We'll have to stop, well, a cup of tea or so. Oh, we have not got time, have we?
Oh, we've got 20
Probably,
minutes.
no, we probably haven't then.
10 to.
No, we haven't got time. But we're going to go in and show you this. Look at this. Look at this. Come on, Bev. We've got to show them this. This is amazing. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. There's your pizza oven. Wow, and it's sister to the Hive Beach Cafe, which we said at Burton Bradstock. Look at this, Bev. What do you reckon? What do you reckon?
Definitely. I'll have a Diet Coke.
Oh no, we haven't got time enough to have a stop here. Think of the place, so it's gorgeous. Yeah, gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So you understand now why this is in our top 5 places to eat in West Bay. Yeah. And unfortunately, our car park is running out, Bev. But this would be a great place to come for my son to get him some Christmas presents, because anything here he would love. Pineapple chunks. Hey, look at this. Wow. Oh, your John would love that.
Wouldn't he just?
It'll be on YouTube though, you better come back. Wow. So there we are. So we hope you've enjoyed our top 5 restaurants in West Bay, no particular order. You choose which one you like, and look forward to seeing you in the next vlog.